Vaisala Mobile Detector MD30 is a mobile road sensor for winter maintenance operations. Mounting can be done in trucks, snowplows, and also supervisor vehicles. The box you receive contains the MD30 mobile detector, the mounting bracket for towing hook or rear mount depending on your order, mounting screw set, extension cable, Bluetooth module BM10, calibration plate, and other accessories. Before you begin, make sure you have the following tools. For your safety, always park your vehicle on a flat surface, turn off the engine, and wear personal protective equipment during installation. The standard mounting bracket is used in snowplow trucks. Install it to a horizontal plane. If installing in front of a supervisor vehicle, locate the towing hook. Attach the towing hook bracket, MD30 front mount, to MD30 with the provided screws and washers. Secure the bracket to the towing hook and tighten the screws. Identify a suitable mounting point on the rear frame or bumper support. Attach the rear mounting bracket, MD30 rear kit or MD30 rear mount, to MD30. Secure the mounting bracket with the provided screws and washers. Vaisala recommends mounting MD30 in front on the driver's side to reduce shoulder and road marking bias. Also remember to avoid installing MD30 near heat sources, such as the exhaust or engine. Before calibration, clean the MD30 sensor window. Spray 50% isopropyl alcohol on the window and clean the window with a lint-free cloth to ensure accurate readings and optimal device performance. Clean the hood too. Check that the markings in the body and hood are aligned. To set plate reference using calibration plate, open the MD30 in-cab local display and select Set Plate Reference. Follow the on-screen instructions. Open the calibration plate container. Check that the calibration plate is clean and dry. Make sure the beam is directed at the center of the calibration plate. The device will run a self-check and complete the calibration process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful calibration. Do not run calibration in direct sunlight, in fluorescent lamplight, or exposed to flashing lights. Do not run calibration in any precipitation or other conditions where the calibration plate may not be completely dry. It is mandatory to run plate reference calibration after every installation and adjustment of mounting. The MD30 also has dry road calibration. Vaisala recommends using factory default dry road coefficients. See user guide for more information. MD30 road detector can be integrated into third-party devices, such as spreader controllers, eliminating the need for the Android display. Pay attention to the correct angle, height, and calibration. If the MD30 does not power up, check the wiring connections and make sure the fuse is intact. If the device is not detected during calibration or Bluetooth pairing, restart the device and try again. See the troubleshooting section in your manual for more solutions. For more information, see MD30 user guide at docs.vaisala.com.